Today we're making something really cool. A bird tree. Welcome back to my channel, Welliness and Happiness Birdies channel, the only place where budgies get more luxury than I do at the spa. Yes, you heard right, a private playground for your budgies, built from natural branches, love, and a dash of DIY chaos. A bird tree gives your budgies more exercise, more fun, and more variety. And the best part, you can build it completely yourself, without needing to be a carpenter, architect, or tree whisperer. So grab your branches. Let's get started. Why a bird tree? It's simple. It encourages exercise. Your budgies will be fitter than I am after 30 minutes on the cross trainer. It provides variety, because every day in a cage is like every day eating salad. It offers a safe place outside the cage, practically a budgie living room. And it strengthens the bond between you and your feathered friends, because those who build together stay together, or something like that. Before we begin, we need a few things. You'll need natural branches, non-toxic wood types like fruit trees, hazel, or willow. No poisonous trees. We want budgies, not dragons. A stable base, e.g., a Christmas tree stand or a heavy flower pot with plaster. The tree should stand upright, not dance. Tools, saw, screws, cordless drill, and courage. Extras, swings, ladders, toys. Anything that makes budgies happy. Tip: clean and dry the branches thoroughly beforehand. We don't want any surprise guests like beetles suddenly moving in. Now it's getting serious. We're building. 1. Create the base. The base needs to be stable. If the tree wobbles like a flamingo on one leg, it won't work. 2. Attach the main branch. The thickest branch will be the trunk. Screw it firmly into the base. 3. Attach the side branches. Now it's time to get CR. Now it's time to get creative. Different heights, different thicknesses, like a gym for budgies. Each branch a new adventure. 4. Design the perches. Make sure the branches are comfortable. Your budgies should be able to sit, not balance like circus performers. 5. Integrate play features. Swings, rings, ladders, anything that's fun. But please attach them securely. We don't want a budgie roller coaster. 6. Check for safety. Very important. No sharp edges, no toxic materials. If you can cut yourself, your budgie can too. Now comes the creative part. But please, no color. Budgies need pure nature, not rainbow trees. Different textures are great for their feet. Add small feeding stations or gnawing branches. Pure wellness. Change the toys regularly so they don't get bored. Your bird tree will be as unique as your budgies and probably more beautiful than my living room. Place it in a bright, safe spot, not next to the vacuum cleaner. Clean the branches regularly. Budgies are cute, but they leave traces. Observe how your budgies use the tree. If they ignore a branch, rearrange it. Occasionally swap out branches. New stimuli, new adventures. A bird tree is a simple yet incredibly valuable addition to your budgies' lives. With a little creativity and love, you can give them a safe playground that promotes exercise, health, and well-being. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments if you've ever built a bird tree. I'm looking forward to seeing your masterpieces. Until next time, and remember, more budgie fun, less budgie stress.
Tschüss und bleibt gesund.